Hello guys, so we're gonna practice right turning without stop sign. So turn right at the street. So look at mirror, right signal. So blind spot is so important for bicycle here. I check my blind spot. So I don't have a stop sign. I reduce my speed 15-20. Look left side, look right side. 15-20 speed, then you can turn to the right side without stopping. So we're gonna practice left turning. So first of all, look at your left rear mirror, left signal, and check your blind spot. Checking your blind spot for the pedestrian or cyclist. Right, left side is clear, oncoming side is clear. 1/3 of the road, 1-2 turning, 1.5 turning, then release. So if there is no stop sign and no need to stop, there is no stop sign, no need to stop at the middle because you have to turn without stop. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like our videos. See you in the next video.